just want to ask Jagdeep ji, those advantages which
Rahul, this
the
is
high-level
very-
committee
he's asking
cites,
the question to us.
do you think that those advantages
Rahul,
will
very,
actually
very
materialize?
unfair, Rahul.
Jagdeep ji, will the advantages actually materialize? Is that likely to be achieved? What's your view?
Thank you very much. And I must say here, I am sorry I did not come here to listen to a political debate. I listen to them all the time, I read about them all the time. And I will make 2 points and then I will stop and I will also not raise my hand because there are only 5 minutes left. Number one, we have talked about a little bit of history. We have talked about the history in 1951 and 1967. Let us talk about the history about 5 years ago. In 2014, one nation, one election was put in the manifesto of the leading political party. And from 2014 to 2018, I personally addressed 26 discussions, seminars, etc. across the country. And there was instances where a secretary from the Prime Minister's office called the Chief Election Commissioner, and the record of that discussion is available in the Election Commissioner's files. It was reported in the newspaper.
What's your point, sir?
My point is, from 2014 to 18, we spent a lot of resources on this, and then the matters quietened down. Then on 23, again a committee came up which was unprecedented to have a former president leading a committee like this. And now we are on this issue again. And we will stay on it for another 5 years. And this reminds me of the Women's Reservation Bill, which was passed with much fanfare. But I would like anybody here to tell me when will it be implemented. There will be delimitation. Before delimitation, there will be census.
Rajiv, I wish to respond. Please.
Can
allow
I
me.
complete?
Yeah, complete,
No, no,
sir.
I will.
पर आप कहना क्या चाहते हो?
आप सुनेंगे तो पता लगेगा।
पर आप
अगर आप
बात
सुनना नहीं
करते हो,
चाहते
पर
तो मैं
क्या
क्या
कहना
करूं?
चाहते हो?
मैं कहना चाहता हूं जैसे विमेन रिजर्वेशन बिल की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का पता नहीं है।
नहीं, पर हम तो वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं। अभी आप ही बता रहे कि 18 पॉलिटिकल
नहीं चाहते तो मैं क्या करूं?
मैनिफेस्टो।
अगर कोई सुनना नहीं चाहता तो मैं क्या करूं?
No, no, Mr. Choker,
Can I complete?
because you're not telling me what is your...
हाँ, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो?
I am telling you this will not happen, just like the women's reservation will not happen.
No, but that does not answer the question of merits or demerits. You yourself started
look,
that
I
in
am not here- I
2014,
am not here to
18
answer your
political
questions.
parties in their in their manifesto,
I
they
can't-
covered the fact of one nation.
I cannot
Mr.
be here.
No, no, Mr. Choker, 1 minute.
I cannot be here.
1 minute, sir. None of you are addressing, and maybe Amitabh Tiwari, since you track this, need to... In the last 10 years, and this audience needs to know, governments have been, popularly elected governments have been dismissed through defections. We have what people in Maharashtra call Khoke ki Sarkar. And you are telling me now on this program that we are committed to democracy and therefore we want one nation, one election. Actually, the real problem in this country is Ayaram, Gayaram, defections, the manner in which all parties try and buy and sell. When will we talk about the real issues?
The solution to Ayaram, Gayaram is not one nation, one election.
Rahul, right.
The
This is very
solution
unfair.
to Ayaram
I don't think
is
the debate
a
is progressing
person
well.
who
Please
resigns
register
from
my
the
progress.
Assembly of
This is the
Parliament
quality of the
should
debate.
be barred from contesting
Can I come
elections
in?
for 10 years.
I need to-
And that'll be the end.
So those are the real issues. Because Amitabh I Tiwari, will get 1 time. minute, sir. Gaurav Okay. Bhatia, 1 minute. Amitabh Tiwari, is that the real issue? The real issue in this country is that we don't have a right to recall. Sunny Deol attended Parliament just a couple of, just a minute,
one
sir.
nation, one election.
Just a minute.
That are the different
Sir,
topics. Let's
no,
debate
1
the
minute.
topic. Why
The
are
real-
you digressing from
the
the topic?
Sir, you cannot.
We are
Sir,
digressing from the
Hitesh,
topic,
Hitesh,
Rajiv.
please.
This is the way he wants.
Sunny Deol attended
Rajiv,
Parliament a couple of
don't
times for
take
5
more
years.
time than the
I
5
don't have a
minutes.
right to recall. A
I know
government,
you have
a government is
axe
chosen.
grind with the BJP. Don't do this, please.
No, all
You are
sides-
talking about what kind of
You asked
electoral
me a question,
reforms
did
we are
you even
having.
come back to us to seek a response? Or I ask you now. leave it.
Amitabh has got
No, no,
only
I know.
30 seconds so far.
Okay.
You have had 6 minutes.
Yes, I
Have
represent
given
the
equal
Bharatiya
time.
Janata Party. You are raising questions at Narendra Modi ji and the government. I need to respond. Now listen
I
to
will
me.
let you, let him
I
finish.
asked you a question.
I will let you, first he must start. No,
How
sir.
dare you say that democracy will not be taken forward by this? I ask you a question. Please answer. Right now, a voter gets how many opportunities to vote in the assembly or the Lok Sabha? Tell me. Answer. 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 You don't have an answer. Second.
1 minute, sir.
Can I please come in?
Rajiv, How many times would the voter get an opportunity to vote in the assembly and the Lok Sabha after one nation, one poll? Same. Why do you say that democracy will not be?
If-
Can I please come in for a
Second.
minute?
Second,
No, he
please.
must let him. He's on a roll.
Second.
I thought June
No,
4th
he-
had made people
everybody-
more humble. Clearly, it has not.
Yeah.
You have become even ruder and more obnoxious. I'm sorry, but go ahead.
Who has become ruder and obnoxious?
I'm trying to ask you a question.
No, just a sec. Is this a personal comment on me?
It is a comment on someone who raises his
I will
voice
not be able
and
to
doesn't allow
participate.
anyone
Listen,
to speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
decide.
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? I will not. Abstain from making any personal comments. Okay, tell me, which are the articles that have to be amended in the constitution? Tell me.
Can I
Rajiv
come
has
in
to
for
tell
a
me.
minute, please?
No, please, just
No,
wait.
no, I want to make
Tell
a
me,
point.
which
Please
are the
don't try
articles
and
to
do
be
this to
amended?
me.
He won't be able to tell you the articles of the
Amitabh
constitution.
Tiwari,
Sorry.
since
That
Mr.
is why-
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
You are sitting with...
Mr. Gaurav
Never
Bhatia,
ever make
your
a personal
ability,
comment on
you
my
have,
party.
you are coming
Never ever.
in this panel of 6, you've
Yes.
spoken the most and shouted
No,
the most. This
you-
audience can
you are
decide
the
that.
one who's
I'm not
biased
going to
the
get
most.
into it.
You are
I'm sorry.
biased to the Bharatiya
This audience
Janata
has
Party.
come here.
And I exercise my right. I ask you the article of the constitution.
I am not
which
here-
needs to be amended. You
I am
don't even know. And you are anchoring the show.
गौरव जी
You
गौरव जी
can't... I'm just...
मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक
please.
बात बोलना चाह रही
मैं
हूँ
आपसे
गौरव जी,
पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपको आर्टिकल
मैं
पता
आपसे
है?
एक बात पूछना
आपको
चाहती हूँ
आर्टिकल पता है?
मेरे
अगर
से
पता है तो
चिल्लाइए
बता
मत।
दीजिए।
लोग देखें यहाँ पे बैठे गौरव जी मैं आपसे एक बात
राजीव जी,
पूछना
मैं
चाह रही
आपसे
हूँ
आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ।
गौरव जी
If you ever make a personal comment on Narendra Modi ji or a BJP spokesperson, I will not take it.
What
Do
is,
you
the,
understand?
what is the personal comment
You
we
said
made?
mean. You said mean and shouting. Why?
Because you are.
can I make a statement for the benefit of this audience and for the
I will
benefit of the
not take
debate
it.
if we are
Sorry.
done with this?
Sir, I
Okay.
will not
We
be...
are
No, listen.
doing it.
No, one
Rahul,
second.
Rahul, one
Rajdeep,
second.
just 1 second.
India today
Can I call?
I
Rahul.
want to know the stand of
Okay,
India
1
Today
second.
group.
I want to. We're running out of
Rahul,
time.
we are in Maharashtra.
We are
I just
running-
want to ask you one
Dare
thing.
you say
There
that
is a
again?
Maharashtra
Dare you say
audience
that?
here.
I warn you here.
ये
I
Maharashtra-
warn you.
What are you doing?
Never ever make a personal comment
Please
about
show
my
me
leader.
the personal comment.
I
Please
will
show
tell
me.
you. I
What
will
was
tell.
the- what
How
was the
dare you
personal
say
comment?
that this nation will become a nation of one leader, Modi ji? How?
That's a
Tell
question.
me.
Am I not
How?
allowed to ask you a
Can I-
question?
How dare you?
Am I not? How
Has
dare?
he not
Are you
won 3
threatening me,
elections?
sir?
Has he not won 3 elections?
Okay,
Are you
Rajdeep,
Has he
Rajdeep.
not
No,
won
1
three
second.
elections?
Are you
listen,
threatening me?
Listen, Gaurav bhai, Gaurav bhai.
Are
you
Okay,
threatening me?
Rajdeep.
I am telling you, and I will enforce.
I
all
let this
these
audience
remedies.
decide the quality of people that we
Okay,
have in
Please,
public life.
So, okay,
if the
one
quality
second.
is bad, listen, Rahul, no. If-
Okay,
listen.
you
wait.
made your point.
Wait,
Rahul.
No, I'm not.
No,
If
1
the-
second.
If the
Because we are, no, 1 second.
Rahul, please.
1 second. Faders down. I must call this
No.
debate. No, this is not
Can
right.
you-
You speak.
Do you stand for that? what
I
he
don't
said?
stand for any of what anyone is doing.
Does
So you
the
made your
Indian
point.
group say-
Gaurav bhai, you made your point.
Not done.
No, 1 second. I've got just a few minutes left before we wrap up. What I wish to do
You cannot
as we
shout
wrap up-
at
No,
me
1
like
second,
this now.
Rajdeep, just drop this.
I'm
1 second.
very patient.
Let's drop this.
You are not patient, you are
Gaurav bhai,
biased.
Gaurav bhai, you
And
made
that
a
is
point.
why I'm giving it back to you.
Gaurav, you made a
He
point.
doesn't.
You
What?
made a point. Now,
How?
you
How
can't.
could he say Narendra Modi ji,
I'm
one
not
nation,
agreeing.
one leader?
Hey, 1
I
second,
asked
you
you a
made a
question.
point.
On an India
1
Today
second.
platform.
I asked you a question.
Rahul,
1
How
second.
dare you?
Okay,
Can I
Gaurav,
make a
Gaurav,
point?
you made a
Narendra
point. You
Modi
made a
ji
point.
has
Or is
won
this supposed
3
to be a wrap?
elections.
I want to make just one point.
No, 1 second.
यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र के
Give me
लोग
1
ऐसे-
minute.
He has
Give me
won
1 minute.
3 elections. And your anchor dares
Okay,
to
1
say
second, you
in
made that
India
point. Gaurav
that
bhai.
he is one nation, one leader.
Made a point. We've heard you. 1
So
second.
why did he say that?
What
He
is
can.
this threatening?
Arey,
What
he's
is
made a
happening?
point. You've responded. Calm down. You.
So why
He
is this
said
a platform
something.
for Modi bashing?
You've responded. 1
Is this
second.
a platform for
There is no
Modi
Modi
bashing?
bashing happening. What are you saying? Okay.
Never ever
1
do that
second.
again.
1 second. Time out.
You know
Time out.
nothing